Hi everyone, welcome. This video only for educational purpose. In this video we will learn how to drain a crypto wallet. Today's you can see many ads on social platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and Telegram where they offer claim free airdrop. So for now we have a website that's look like giving a free airdrop so user can connect wallet and claim free sol. So let me explain how it's work. First of all, user have to connect we will connect our wallet, and then we come to the airdrop section. We have to click here and click on the claim airdrop. So first it will be check the eligibility of your wallet, and then he will offer the sol of amount uh, you are eligible to claim. Then click on the confirm claim. So it will be make a transaction in progress, and after that it will be say transaction failed, you have to verify the wallet. When we click here on the verify wallet, it will be ask your wallet says. So please keep in mind, never ever share your wallet keys with anyone, and don't give these wallet keys on untrusted platform. Okay, so we have keys and we are here verifying. So as we submit the keys, you can see we got these keys on our Telegram. So this way you can lost your control of the wallet, and the scammer can steal your funds. So please stay away from these types of airdrops. Thank you.